Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you how to say and how to write delicious or tasty or yummy. In Chinese, we say 好吃, 好吃, 好 means good. We came across this character before. And 吃 means to eat. 吃. So together, 好吃, 好吃. Which literally means good eat or to eat good. So you can say this compliment to a restaurant or to your friends. So when it's delicious, 好吃,好吃. So if you want to say, oh, it's really delicious, you can add a character in front. 真好吃,真好吃. Or very delicious, 很好吃,很好吃. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.